So this Whirlpool dishwasher is leaking and we're gonna figure out why. Take the cover off. Oh, it's back there. Right back there. Take these screws out to pull the dishwasher out. Pull the dishwasher out. I do not want to disconnect this if I can help it, so I'm just going to turn it on its side. So the problem is here with the pump, it's leaking from this rubber piece, which I already took this out a little bit. It wasn't already like this. So we're going to disconnect the pump and replace it with this one, and hopefully it will stop the leak. Just in case, we're gonna turn the power off to the dishwasher at the breaker because we're dealing with electricity and water.
Between purity and intimacy, she was not the one for me.
This was probably the hardest thing to take off. We needed like this small crowbar to pry it off of these little bumps here. But when you put it back on, you know, it just looks like it just might need pliers to like tighten it down again. But to take it off, you know, this part comes up naturally. Like it was built that way, so we just put the crowbar underneath it and then pried it up, and it came loose. This is the inside of the pump. The rubber looks kind of old and broken up, just worn down. Back on. Still leaking. So this thing has been a problem, to say the least. We had to replace this one. I took it off and it easily gets bent out of shape, and then you can't like, you know, put it back on, or they don't go on the notches anymore. But so I took this one off the old pump, and hopefully it will work, because tried all these all these hose clamps and none of them worked for various reasons. I was not able to get this one on there, like on all three notches, but this one I finally got on the third notch there. So we're gonna find out. Power on. Does it not work? Found a better hose clamp that actually is thin enough and fits around it, so hopefully this one works. Oh, good. Good. So this is what a new dishwasher will cost at Lowe's. This is the cheapest option that they have, at least on their website. This is how much a new dishwasher pump will cost for a Whirlpool from Amazon. It's actually not that bad. Before tax, $36.99. So in the end, we replaced the whole pump on the Whirlpool dishwasher. We just replaced the whole motor because we had an extra dishwasher that we were able to just take the pump off that and just put it on the new dishwasher, and that stopped our leak. So we're all good. Like and subscribe.